channel. I haven't posted for a few days because, I'm at holiday club and it's been holidays, and next week I am going back to school. So, very cold outside, and I'm going to be showing you how to ride a hoverboard. So, first step you'll need to do is to learn how to get on. Now, the quickest way to learn how to get on is to hold a chair, or you could just hold something by your side. I put my feet at the edges of my hoverboard, and I learned how to get on. Don't drive it yet, otherwise your body might get a shock and then you might fall forward. So if you need to use a chair, you can just come and get a chair. Okay, don't drive it yet, please. Step 2 is to learn how to get off. Now use the chair for both. Get on and get off. Never step forward when you get off. Always step behind. I'll show you from my side. Okay, now that you've done that, or you could actually do it against the wall. You don't have to do it against the chair. And then once you're comfortable with that, try doing it by yourself. Start off slowly. Okay, now that you've known how to do step 1, you're going to learn step 2. Okay, step 2 is about learning how to just be confident and ride the hoverboard. And you must also look forward, never down. You should never know if you're going to bump into something. And then, once you've done, I'm going to show you some tips on how to just carefully start off. You can use a chair to just, you guys don't know how to push forward on a hoverboard, do you? Well, a hoverboard conspires your feet. If you use your feet on a hoverboard, you'll be able to go backwards and forwards. Okay, now if your hoverboard is going all crazy, it's because you're not putting your feet directly on a balance. So I started off by using the chair and standing up. Then I started controlling my feet on the chair. And if you put a bit of your weight on your feet, like a bit forward, then you will end up moving forwards. If you put your weight on your heels, you'll go backwards. If you put your weight on your right foot, you will end up spinning right. You put your weight on your left foot, you will end up spinning left. Now you gotta control your feet to get the right balance for standing. For just standing, and then if you're all wobbly and stuff, then you can just, if you're all wobbly, you can just calm down, because the hoverboard's gonna think, The hoverboard's gonna think that you're actually wanting to ride it now, because you've learned how to ride it, but you haven't. So all you need to do is just breathe and stay calm, and then voila, you have your hoverboard. Now, once you're done comfortable doing that, you just need to learn how to move around with your hoverboard and position it on a chair, like this kind of chair or any kind of chair. It's not a short one like that. Okay, so focus on your feet and then just practice going forwards, backwards, sideways, and the other way. Then you know how it feels when you go. And just practice nice and calm, and just go slowly for a start. And go backwards. Now that you know how to do your things, I can teach you guys some tricks. Okay, now just get used to riding around tables, because that helped me to get over my fear. Like set up a little obstacle course, and you can start going around stuff, and you can start doing it without stuff. You can just go a bit faster until you get the right speed. And then you can just ride all over the place. And then have fun on the hoverboard. Okay, so guys, I'm going to wrap it up now. It's been maybe 7 minutes, and I just wanted to say like and subscribe, and let me know if you're struggling with your hoverboard, and I'll send a part 2 for you guys, and I'm pretty sure I'll send a part 2 in the morning tomorrow. So yeah, I'll see you.
Bye!